Now our next topic is division of decimals. In this topic again there are three topics. First is division of decimal numbers by whole numbers. Second is division of decimal numbers by decimal numbers. And third is division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So students, just now I explained you multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. So in exercise 2E, first I am leaving question number 1 and 2. I am leaving these two questions. First I am going to explain you division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000, because just now you learned multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. And now I am going to explain this division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000, so that you would be able to make a difference between multiplication and division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Let us start. To divide a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits of the given decimal number and the quotient remain the same. The digits of the given decimal number and the quotient will remain the same. Only the decimal point in the quotient is shifted to the left. In multiplication, decimal point was shifted to the right, but in division, decimal point is shifted to the left by as many number of places as there are zeros after 1 in the divisor. Students, in division, how many zeros are after 1? Decimal point is shifted to the left side, same places. But in multiplication, how many zeros after 1? Decimal point is shifted to the right side, to the same places. Same number of places. So let us do. When I will explain you, then it will be more clear. See here again, third question is given in the form of table. Complete the following table. Again I have written this question in my register in the same pattern, like this. So students, our first is complete the following table. 0.12 divided by 10. Students, previously you did, if it is written 0.12 into 10, then how many zeros after 1? Only 1 zero. Then you shift this decimal 1 place to the right side. But in division, how many zeros after 1? 1. Then this decimal is shifted to the left side. जितनी जीरोस 1 के बाद में हैं, ये डेसिमल उतने प्लेस राइट साइड शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. ओके, सी हियर. Okay, I will explain here. After 1 there is 1 0, so we will shift this decimal 1 place this side. So it will become 0.012. We will put 0 again here. We have shifted this decimal 1 place to this side because after 1 there is only 1 0. Come to second. After 1 how many zeros? 2 zeros. So we will shift this decimal 2 place to this side, left side. But question is this, that there is only 1 0. We have to shift. हमें ये decimal 2 place shift करना है, लेकिन यहाँ पर एक ही 0 है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हम एक 0 अपने पास से लिख लेंगे. So it will become, see here, 2100.0. देखिए इधर, ये डेसिमल हमारा 0 और 1 के बीच में था. यहाँ पर 0 और 1 के बीच में यहाँ था. अब हमने ये डेसिमल 2 प्लेस इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया, तो यहाँ पर 2 0 आ गई. ये 0 एज इट इज रही. ओके, नाउ कम टू थर्ड पार्ट. अगेन आफ्टर 1 हाउ मेनी zeros? 3 zeros are there. We will shift this decimal 3 places this side. So again 2 1. Now write 3 zeros. It is like this. See here. Again decimal was between 0 and 1. 0 and 1 here. हमने डेसिमल यहाँ ले आए तो 3 प्लेस शिफ्ट हो गया इधर. 1 2 3. Now come to next part. It is 15.1 15.78. Student, do not read it 15.78. Do not read it like this. It will be read as 15.78. So when it is divided by 10, after 1 how many zeros? 1 zero. 1 के बाद कितनी जीरो है? 1 ही है. तो ये डेसिमल 1 प्लेस लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. इट विल बिकम 1.578. 15.78 divided by 100. After 1 there are 2 zeros. So we will shift this decimal 2 places left side. So number will become 8751. Then put decimal and 0. Before decimal 0, it is must. It is compulsory to write 0.1578. See here, between 5 and 7. Their earlier decimal was between 5 and 7. यहाँ था डेसिमल, हमने इसको 2 प्लेस इधर शिफ्ट करा तो अब ये यहाँ आ गया, ये 2 प्लेस शिफ्ट हो गए. नाउ 15.78 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. अब आफ्टर 1 हाउ मेनी जीरोज आर देयर? 3 zeros are there. So we will shift this decimal 3 places this side. Again question is this, that we have to shift the decimal 3 places, but only 2 places are given, 2 digits are given. So we will add 1 0 from our side. It 8751. Then add 1 0 here. Then put the decimal and write 0 here. It is 0.01578. See student, decimal was between 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We have shifted this decimal from here to here, 1, 2, 3 places. In the same way here, 250.0056. It will become, we will shift again this decimal 1 place this side, 25.0056. डेसिमल कहाँ पर था? 0 0 के बीच में. यहाँ पर था 0 0 के बीच में. हमने इस डेसिमल को 1 प्लेस लेफ्ट साइड शिफ्ट कर दिया. Then after 1 2 zeros, we will shift this time this decimal 2 places this side. It will become 2.50056. See, डेसिमल कहाँ था? 0 0 के बीच में. 2 places हमने इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया. 1 2. Now 250.056 divided by 1000. This time after 1 there are 3 zeros. So we will shift this decimal 3 places this side. So it will become 650,052, then decimal 0. 0.250056. Decimal was between 0 and 0 here. We have shifted this decimal 3 places this side. In the same way here, 138.23. After 1 1 0, so it will become 13.823. Then 138.23 divided by 100. After 1 there are 2 0. We will shift this decimal 2 places this side. It will become 1.3823. Then 138.23 divided by 1000. After 1 there are 3 zeros. We will shift this decimal 3 places this side. So it will become 0.13823. Now here 1.902 divided by 10. In 10 after 1 only 1 0. So we will shift this decimal 1 places this side, from this side to this side. So it will become 0.1902. See, decimal was between 1 and 9. Here 1 and 9. Between 1 and 9 we have shifted this decimal 1 place this side. Now 1.902 divided by 100. After 1 there are 2 0. So we will shift this decimal 2 places left side. But again question is this, that only here 1 digit is given. So we will put 1 0 from our side. It will become 20910.0. Decimal was between 1 and 9 here. Decimal was here between 1 and 9. We have shifted this decimal 2 places this side. Now it is 0.01902. This is not decimal, students. Now come to third part. 1.902 divided by 1000. This time we will shift this decimal 3 places this side. So 2091. Now we will add two more zeros. Then put the decimal and 0. See here, decimal was between again 1 and 9. Here was decimal. We have shifted this decimal this side, 3 places. So students, if digits are less, then add zeros. Now come to this question. Here this number 1000.0001 will be divided by 10. Then this decimal will shift to here. It will become 100.00001. Student, be careful when you do this question and write the zeros after counting carefully. Now 1000.0001 divided by 100. Here after 1 there are 2 zeros. So we will shift this decimal 2 places this side. It will become 10.000001. Now 1000.0001 divided by 1000. How many zeros here? 3. So this decimal will shift 3 places this side and it will become 1.00000001. So students, I hope multiplication by 10, multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000, and decimal of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000 should be very clear to you. Okay students, today we will do only this question number 3 from exercise 2E. In the next class we will complete this exercise and we will do question number 1 and 2. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day. Good morning students. Students, in the previous class I explained you multiplication of decimals and we completed question number 1 and 2 of exercise 2D. In the continuation of the same topic, today you will learn multiplication of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. So students, question number 3 of exercise 2D is related, is linked, is based on this topic, multiplication of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. So we will do this question number 3, which is given in the form of table with the help of this rule. Students, I have written this question in this form. See here, there are 6 parts A, B, C, D. In A part, number is given 0.1. We have to multiply this 0.1 first by 10, then by 100, then by 1000. In the same way, second part is 0.002. We have to multiply this number first by 10, then by 100, then by 1000. I have written this question in my register in this form. See here, we will do in notebook in this form. Okay. So students, what is this rule? To multiply a decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, shift the decimal point in the product to the right by as many number of places as there are zeros after 1. See example here. It is given the weight of an object is 85.378 gram. Find the weight of 10, 100 and 1000 such object. So weight of one object is given and we have to find weight of 10, 100 and 1000. Weight of 10 object will be when we multiply this weight by this 10. So we will write 85.378 into 10. We will shift this decimal to this side, right side, by as many number of places as there are zeros. After 1, how many zeros? Only 1. So we will shift this decimal one place this side. Students, weight of one object, an object means one object is given. So weight of 10 object will be more than this weight, 85.378 gram. So we will multiply the weight of one object by 10. Now second is 100. Weight of one object, again this one. We have to find weight of 100. So we will multiply this weight of one object by this 100. Weight of 100 object is 85.378 into 100. Now after 1, how many zeros are there? 1, 2 zeros. So we will shift this decimal 2 places right side. It will become 8537.8 gram. Weight of 1000 object will be 85.378 into 1000. Then how many zeros after 1? 1, 2, 3. This decimal will be shifted 3 places here. It means 85378.0. 0.0 means 85,378 gram. So we will follow the same rule here to multiply. To do this question, complete the following table. 0.1 into 10. We have to multiply this number by 10. After 1, how many zero? Only 1. So we will shift this decimal one place this side. It will become 0, 1, 0, 1.0. 0, 1.0 means 1. Because you know, after decimal, if there is only 0, then it has no value. Now 0.1 multiply by 100. After 1, how many zero? 2 zeros. Now this decimal will shift 2 place this side. So 0, 1. Here it is only 1 digit given. So second digit we will write from our side, that will be 0. We will add 1 0 here, then put decimal here. Now see, this decimal was where? Here. We will shift this decimal 2 places this side. So it will become 010.0. It is, student, don't be confused, 010.0. It means 10. Now here 0.1 into 1000. After 1, how many zero? 3 zero. So first we will write this 0, then this 1, then add 2 0. See here, decimal is here. We have to shift this decimal 3 places this side. So 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. Put decimal here, write decimal here, then 0. It means it is 100. Now come to next part. 0.002 into 10. How many zero after 1? Only 1 0. We will shift this decimal 1 digit, 1 place here. Then decimal will be here. We will write it 0.00.02. It means 0.02. Now 0.002 into 100. How many digits? How many zeros after 1? 1, 2. This decimal will be shifted 2 places this side. It will become 0, 0, 0.2. See here, 0, 0, 0, point. Point will shift from here to here. It is 0, 0, 0.2 means 0.2. Student, before decimal we will write only 1 0. Other zeros will be neglected. Now 0.002 into 1000. 1000, how many zero after 1? 3 zeros. So we will shift this point 3 places this side. 1, 2, 3. So 0, this 0, then 0, 0. This 0, 0, 0, 2. Now point here. After point write 1 0. It means it is 2.0 means only 2. Now come to its C part. 1.2309 into 10. After 1, how many 0? 1 0. We will shift this decimal one place this side. It will become 12.309. 12.309. See, decimal was here between 1 and 2. Now decimal is between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. It means decimal is shifted. We have shifted this decimal one place to the right side. Because after 1 there is only 1 0. Next, after 1 how many 0? 2 0. This time this decimal will be shifted 2 places this side. Means 1 2. Decimal will be here. It will become 123.09. Next, 1.2309 into 1000. After 1 how many zeros? 3 zeros. So this decimal will be shifted 3 places this side. 1 2 3. It means 1230.9. Clear? In the same way, after 1 0. After 1 only 1 0. This decimal will be shifted one place this side. It will become 233.450. Here after decimal we are not writing here zeros because no need to write 0. Already there some digits are present. Some digits are given here. Here in this sum 23.3450 into 100. How many zeros after 1? 2. So this decimal will be shifted 2 place this side. So it will become 2334.50. Next, 1000. 23.3450 into 1000. How many zeros after 1? 3 zeros. So we will shift this decimal 3 places this side. 1 2 3. So it will become 23345.0. See student, after decimal only 0. So it will be written as 23345 means 23,345. Clear? Next, 999.999 into 10. How many zeros after 1? 1. So this decimal will be shifted here. 9999.99. 999.999 into 100. How many zeros after 1? 2 0. So this decimal will be shifted 2 place this side. It will become 99999. This was this. Decimal was here. We will shift this decimal 2 place this side. It will become 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 9.9. It is 99,999.9. Now here after decimal 3 zeros. So this decimal will be shifted 3 place this side, right side. Then 999,999.0. After decimal only 0. It means 999999. It means 9,99,999. In the same way, after 1 there is 1 0. We will shift this decimal one place is here, one place to the right side. So it will become 10.0009. This 0 will become here. Decimal will be here. 10.009. After 1 how many zeros? 2. So we will shift decimal 2 place here. So it will become 100. 100.009. After 1 how many zeros? 1000. So this decimal will be shifted 3 places this side, right side. 1 0 0. 123.09. Okay students, I think it is very easy according to me. I don't know how do you feel, but according to me it is very easy. Okay students, now come to next topic. Our next topic is division of decimals.